Welcome to the Professor English podcast, where we don't just talk about English, we practice English. My name is Ryan, and I am your host. Today, we are going to practice the word do. But this is a special do. This is a do for emphasis. We're going to practice this word just as it is used on page 5 of 1984. You had to live, did live by habit. If you are interested in exploring the whole paragraph, I have provided a link in the description below. Now let's take a look at one more useful phrase on page 5 of 1984, that is do for emphasis. There are two kinds of verbs in English. There are do verbs and a small group of verbs that are not do verbs. The non-do verbs are the verb to be, is, are, am, was, were, and modal verbs like will, can, would, could, should, etc., and have when it is used like an auxiliary verb. If any of these words are the first word in your verb, you do not have a do verb. You do not have a do situation. All other verbs are do verbs, which means you need do to make a question. You need the phrase do not to make a negative. And you can also use do for special emphasis. Let's try some examples so we can understand how to use do for emphasis. Here is a simple sentence. John didn't get the job that he applied for. John didn't get the job that he applied for. How would you make a why question with that sentence? How would you make a why question? Or why not? Actually, it's a why not question. Why didn't John get the job that he applied for? Why didn't John get? Why didn't John get? Why didn't John get? Why didn't John get the job? Why didn't John get the job that he applied for? That he. Why didn't John get the job that he applied for? Here is the reason. He didn't attend the interview. He didn't attend the interview. John didn't get the job that he applied for because he didn't attend the interview. John didn't get the job that he applied for because he didn't attend the interview. John didn't get the job that he applied for because he didn't attend the interview. Okay, now let's say you believe that this last sentence is wrong. It is incorrect. You know John attended the interview. You want to correct this wrong idea. You want to tell the other person you are wrong about that. Now, you could say very strongly, he attended the interview. You could do that. That's possible. But most native speakers would use do in this for emphasis. And instead of saying he attended the interview, they would say he did attend the interview. He did attend the interview. You have to put all of the emphasis on the do because you're saying you're wrong. He did attend the interview. He did attend the interview. This means you're wrong. He didn't get the job because he didn't attend the interview. No, you're wrong. He did attend the interview. Let's try another example. The order didn't arrive. And let's make a why question with that sentence. The order didn't arrive. The order didn't arrive. Why didn't the order arrive? Why didn't the order arrive? Why didn't the order arrive? Here's the reason. Mary didn't confirm the purchase. Mary did not confirm the purchase. The order didn't arrive because Mary didn't confirm the purchase. The order didn't arrive because Mary didn't confirm the purchase. Okay. If you disagree with this reason, if you think the person is incorrect about the reason for this, you can say very strongly, Mary confirmed the purchase. Mary confirmed the purchase, but most native speakers will use the word do for this situation and say, Mary did confirm the purchase. You have to put all the emphasis on do. Mary did confirm the purchase. You're wrong. The order didn't arrive because Mary didn't confirm the purchase. What? You're wrong. Mary did confirm the purchase. Mary did confirm the purchase. All right, super duper job. Let's try another example. But before we do, I just want to ask you, do you find these exercises useful? If you do, then please take a time to subscribe to my channel. And if you are watching the podcast on my YouTube channel, Professor English ESL Class, then please take a moment to press the like button. It helps my channel so much and lets me know that you want to see more exercises just like this one. Now, let's get back to practicing some English. You didn't learn much in English class. You didn't learn much in English class. Let's make a why not question. Why didn't you? Why didn't you? Why didn't you? Why didn't you? Why didn't you learn much in English class? Why didn't you learn much in English class? Here is the reason. You didn't learn much in English class because you didn't pay attention. You didn't learn much in English class because you didn't pay attention. Here, someone is accusing you of being bad. How can you make a very strong statement, letting the other person know that they are wrong? I did pay attention. I did. I did pay attention. Remember to put all of the power in the word do. I did. I did pay attention. You're wrong. All right. Fantastic job. Let's do one more example. The internet is not working. The internet is not working. Can you make a why not question with that sentence? Why not? Why isn't the internet working? Why isn't the internet working? All right. Here is the reason. Because you didn't connect to the Wi-Fi network. You did not connect to the Wi-Fi network. The internet isn't working because you didn't connect to the Wi-Fi network. The internet isn't working. The internet isn't working because you didn't connect. Because you didn't connect. Because you didn't connect to the Wi-Fi network. The internet isn't working because you didn't connect to the Wi-Fi network. How can you say, oh, that's not true, you're wrong, using the word do? I did connect. I did connect to the Wi-Fi network. You're wrong. I did connect to the Wi-Fi network. Well, hopefully now you have a better understanding of how to use the word do for emphasis, usually to correct somebody when they're wrong. It's been a real blast practicing English with you today, and I hope to see you here again soon. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be back here again any day now with more fun and interesting phrases for you to learn. But until then, goodbye.